Bite on, please. Please bite on. Yes! Yeah, beauty! Yes! Yeah, beauty! What a beaut! Fit like, I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard again. Now today we're fishing at Sandend Beach. Called Sandend because why we say sand is sand and why we say the end bit is ein, Sandend. Sandend to Homedales het is niet keer. Right, the 3 roads out. I've already caught a bonny troutie. Is hopefully you'll have seen just before I'm speaking here just now. Right, this is the first road that I shot out this morning in the dark. See a couple of feeders on it, and bitties of mackerel and squid. And there's nothing on it. Nothing at all. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set that rig up with the camera because there's got plenty scent on it with the feeders. Cast that out, see if the camera sees anything. That's me going to want to cast out my waterproof fishing camera on this line with the feeders on it. So there's plenty scent to attract something in a boat. Now this will be left out for a couple of hours unless something big takes a hold. While that road is fishing, I'm setting up a spinning rod. Just with a small, I think it's a 3000 size reel, and a wee bombard casting float. I have a wee rubber aside the swivel, and that just swings back and forth, and I have a wee stopper on that side. And I'm going to try and see if I can get a bass. If there's any bass to get. But you've got to get a go, it's such a bonny morning. And the flatty rigs, they've just got baited hooks, so they kind of fish themselves. And I've got bails on them, so they'll let you in if a fish goes on. Right, I'm going to try a sand eel thing. I'll take off this glove. I use this glove for casting out heavier leads, because once you get oily bait on your fingers, if you try and hold a line for casting out, it slips through your fingers. So that glove helps a lot. Right, I'm going to try this, a white sand eel. But they're actually called a reed gill. It's like pearlescent kind of colour. So it's a white reed gill. And I think there's about 6 foot with trees. So one gear to go, cast it into the surf, and see if I can get myself a bass, if there's only a bass to get, like, fingers crossed. Swims off a bunny in the water at Reed Gill thing. Right, tide's just racing in. It's another shallow beach, yes. So we're constantly shifting the roads up all the time. Every 5 minutes, well 10 minutes anyway. They're off a handiest handmade road holders for DNS type of thing. I haven't heard no bells ringing since I got a Trouty. It's maybe all I'm going to get today. Boys, there's no breath of wind, just a perfect chance for it. Now there's actually a camera on this beach. Well, not on the beach, but pointing towards this beach. Because I think this beach is known for surfing. Probably because it's so shallow and it'll generate big curling waves for the surfers. And I wonder if that camera is to show folk if it surfs up. I'm happy just fishing. Leave the surf to the cool guys. That's a Sandend beach cam on my phone. Supposed to be live. I see myself. I'm hoping you see it. You maybe when I see us. I do see myself. I see Phil there. I'm trying to find out where the camera is. Oh, I can see the camera. It's logging behind the wee minty. So I'm still working. I'm standing still, you know. I see a dog. Somebody with a dog at the back of me. Didn't notice that. If you can see me there, I'm going to walk away after the camera, see if you can see me on the phone. I just don't think you'll see on a phone. That's me waving to the camera. Great stuff. It's really handy, that camera, because I've been sitting at home looking at it for the last 2 or 3 days, just to see if it like the sea state was for fishing here. Because if a surf was up, big rolling waves, I wouldn't have bothered fishing here. It would be too much for me. I like it pretty calm, so I can hear the bales rattling if you hook a fish. But it's an awful handy camera. So you'll can, it's on YouTube, Sandend beach camera. Now when you type that sometimes Sandend comes up, and I think that's doing in England somewhere. So mine and type in Sandend, and you'll get that camera. Now, I'm going to hit a hole in this in with the camera, but I'll see if I can get it in a bit anyway, because it's flicked at the end of the line. I'm hoping if I take it easy, I won't break out the gripper blade. If I can take in a wee bit of line, I can just set it up again, just leave it lying. Right, that's swung down a good bit more line onto the reel. I can shift it up the beach a bit again. That's it and reset again. I think I'll haul this in and rebait it and get it back out again. Nothing with it. 1, 2, there is 2 baits missing too, so could be a good sign, I don't know, Kane. I'll bait it up and get it back out again. Yay! Yes! A wee fluky. Oh, it's fine. It's just hook it on a lip and all. Magic. A bony wee crater. Look at that. A perfect wee miniature flounder. We'll give him a kiss and get him back. It's 2 species so far. Oop. No, just behave yourself. No, just you behave. I don't want to hold on to you too hard. I don't want to squash you. Yeah. Oh. Here you go, Paul. Yes. Got my sleeve weight there, I know. The joys of fishing. There is one other bait missing. Rebait it and get it back out again. It's hide the keyring time. I've already recorded my hiding it, but I noticed my microphones wasn't switched on. So I'm going to want to show you where I put it. You will see fell over here, and there's like a wee platform, like a big slab of concrete. Now, right at the end of the concrete, you'll see in the back of it, there's big granite boulders. And just for it joins that grey rock here, for the last big boulder up the top here, is touching the grey rock. Just up here. That's where the keyring is. Just underneath that stone. Fine easy to find. If you find it, you can send a photo with yourself holding up a keyring, and I can add it to the next video. But you don't need to do that. As long as you put a comment under this video letting me know that you've actually got the keyring. It lets other folk know and need to come looking for it because it's already found. So mind put a comment under this video saying you've found the keyring. Good luck to you. I'll tell you, that's some heat in that sun now. I've had to take a jacket off. It's just lovely. Well, I want him at tea. Well, I didn't forget my cup of tea. I was just looking back in my videos, the clips that I've filmed, to make sure I captured the trout that I catched. I did get it, thank a Papa Cricky for it, but I filmed it actually going back and swimming away. It was a real lively fish, and it was swimming away, and I followed it for a good while. Really beautiful footage, and when I was filming it, I did notice there was a different mode on the GoPro, and I said to Phil, I hope it's actually filmed. And I was checking back, I knew, and it isn't filmed again back again, which I'm kind of sick about because I like to see them swimming. It was swimming away just beautiful. Yeah, well, maybe get another in. Right, this is him with the camera. I'm just winding it in a bit, just to get more line on the spool, so that I can shift the tripod back a bit. Right, that should be enough. The tide's just racing in this beach. We're shifting I think every 10 minutes. Now, high water is 11:15. We'll fish the tide back for a couple of hours. We'll see how we get on. I'm going to want to give a spinning rod a go again with the bombarder float. This time I'm going to stick on this wee fly. I think it's a saltwater fly. Saltwater fly. we'll see if I get anything bad. It's a bombarder again. There's maybe about 5 feet of trace in that saltwater fly. Give it a go. Fresh water comes out here. There's a wee burn. Come on from back here. Flowing down into the sea. Maybe that'll attract something. Just in a can, till you try. And only get a go and hope for the best. Oh, the fly's looking good in the water. You get enough a good cast with this wee rod. There wasn't anything on a wee fly. Bonny wee fly now, it's sliding through the water, bonny, so it's swimming through the water. Really good like. But nothing on it. So I think I'll haul in the camera rod now, because it's been out probably at least 3 hours. Maybe it's half an hour time for the battery can flat. So it's pointless leaving that out now. So I'll one halt then, and hopefully it'll have seen something. Maybe when I had nothing on, but I stuck heaps of bait on, and it had the 2 feeders, so it's maybe seen something. Right, camera. I hope you've seen something. It's really exciting when you can hear and you're looking back at the camera footage. Now, it can be 3, something 4 hours long in 10-minute segments. And sometimes you want to see nothing through 2 hours of footage, then something pops up. Yeah. Well, I think I've crossed over the top of this. Phil, can you manage to just tighten that line a wee bit? Cheers, Phil.
Can't hear a thing at that end of the
No,
beach.
okay. Well, I've got my camera back anyway. You can see my camera. Now, is there a fish? No. Look at him. I just had to hope the camera's seen something. That feeder's just about eating out, look.
Yeah. Still a lot of bait left, isn't there?
A lot of bait left. So, I'm just trying about seeing something passing by. Maybe a troutie or something. Yeah. Right, we'll get this in then. Now, I'm just going to fish. It's actually high water now. Well, it's a back of high water now. It's back of 11. So I'm just going to fish with 2 rods now. And we'll fish it tight back a couple of hours. See if I get anything in the receding tide. And at camera rod, I'm just going to keep it out of the water now. And pop it back in the car. You see, we're not far from the car park. Come on, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. Oh, it's a fair distance out. Come on, just a wee float would be me. Oh, something. It's a wee fluke. Just for the doctor ordered. Yeah, look at the size of it. Well, that's the smallest fluke ever. I actually have a rig with size 8 hooks, and I reckon if I had he not out, I might have in a few flukes that size. That's fine, he's just hook it in the lap and all, so great stuff. Get him off quick and get him back. Plenty of life about it. Put all these, I'll wind this up in case there's a dog comes. Because I don't want a dog to get hooked. It should be high enough, huh? Right, look at this wee fluky. What a beauty. Oh man, thank you very much for going on to my line. You just made my day. Guess I can get him back. Come on in, Paul. Woohoo! Behave yourself now, behave yourself. Sheesh. Come on in. There you go, look at that. There you go. What a speed. Yes! Funny how there are small fish today. Apart from the trout, like there's bonnet trout. Right. That lead hit a good hot here, I know. Come on, fishy, fishy. Come on. Turbot! Oh, wee turbot, would you believe? Hey! Is there lumps in it? Alright. Look at that! Yes! Another species. Yeah, beauty! Give him a cast and get him back. Bonnie wee turbot. Great stuff. Come on up. Come on. There you go, look. Yes. 3 species. Oh, fair chuff that. Turbot eye puts a smile on my face. Whoosh, look at the speed that tide's going back already. Up at this road's right down to the water's edge. Actually, that's mothering here, like up for near in line with Fell. Up at that 2 roads, right down to the water's edge. In fact, they were in the water. And they just shot right back, look. Right, Phil, what do you think of that today now?
It's been good. I've really enjoyed it, as always. Yep.
Yeah, it's just like a summer day, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Like a summer day.
I was thinking this is the best over at this year so far.
Oh, yes, here, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Jackets off.
Jackets off.
Right.
Still got plenty of layers on, but jackets off.
Right.
It's very nice and warm. My fingers are working. How about that?
Yeah, your fingers are
rare.
working today, right? And I was hearing birdies today, you know, little birdies chirping away.
Oyster catchers, there were some oyster catchers came across.
Was that right?
Yeah,
I didn't see them.
About half a dozen were all flying together.
Aye, aye. I was hearing the little birdies chirping, just like it's a spring day,
Yeah. Yeah.
So it wouldn't be long now. But anyway, oh, what a lovely fish.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah. You're going to have to look on my channel. Another Angle UK.
Special fish you got.
See what fish I got.
Another
first thing
Angle
this
UK.
morning.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's I've decided it's personal best. I haven't had one that big before.
It was a good one, like.
Yeah, it's a good fish.
It's a cracker.
Yeah.
And I got a good one, and
Yeah, you did. You did. And
So-
we've tried some different things today, haven't we?
tried a few different methods to see if we could catch maybe a bass or something.
Yeah. I saw you with the bombarder.
Aye, yeah. I tried 2 different, I tried the reed girl, and I tried the
The little white one.
saltwater feather.
Oh
thing.
yeah, the bass fly, wasn't it? For
Oh, I did a saltwater fly,
yeah.
see if I could get a bass, but nothing. But you've got to try, Ken. Water's crystal clear.
It is very clear.
Oh, I'm hoping we see something, not cameras.
Yeah.
Well, I seem to see something special. That wee fish eye the last day, mine, and
Yeah.
the stickleback thing.
And I know when we put footage into the overall video, you only see sort of a matter of seconds of the footage. We actually go through, between us, we must have getting on for about 8 hours
Easy.
of underwater footage, and it's just every now and again you see a bit of something like that big
Something special.
the big shoaler coley,
Right.
the 15-spined stickleback.
Right.
It's just, there's always something there.
And you
isn't
and
there?
Trout, you and
the
Trout.
trout, yeah. We should get something good today, I'm sure.
Sometimes you're near falling asleep. It's 10-minute segments. And I'm looking, and again, you can't blink.
No,
Such when you miss something.
yeah,
You have to look through every bit
yeah.
to get something special to show you folk out there. Things we've got to do.
That's it.
Well, anyway, that's another session done for the day. We've still got the roads out, but this will be the last all in. And there hasn't been no bells ringing, so
No.
I'm not expecting nothing. But if it is, I'll get back to you.
We'll let you know.
Let you can.
Yep.
But it's been lovely here at Sandend. And beautiful wee place.
That's Sandend for the likes of me.
Sandend for the likes of people like him. Good friend. So that's it for now anyway.
That's it from me. So tight lines from me.
And take care of you, and I'll catch you after for me.
See you in the next video.